want to drive Justin home now and then from school, you know, since it's so cold out.
Good. God, I like that dinner. Holidays with my family, that was so full of drama.
It was a lovely dinner. Such a nice family.
Thank you. We should do this again. Maybe Easter Passover.
I'd like that. Just don't tell my mother. She'd kill me if she knew I was dating someone who wasn't Jewish.